Hello, I create this video demo to show MAX 1500W fiber laser source. The first thing I'm going to do is to check the hardware connection from the laser source side. The power switch I turn on and the external cable connected and the inner control cable connected. Also the cooling pipe connected as well. The QBH connect and lock the laser QBH head. Also the cooling was connected. And this is the trailer from SNA. I turn it on first to have the cooling for the laser source and cutting head. Okay. I opened the G3 control software. It's also in the U-disk come with the shipment. You can find it the U-stick along with the laser source. This is the precaution to remind where the guy go. Okay, this the auto means we use the external or third-party controller to control the laser source, and manual means we use internal control. Right now, if we add the auto mode, we cannot edit the power, frequency, or the duty ratio. If I turn it to manual, this become editable, and the right light and enable are conflict. Means if I turn on the right light, we cannot enable the laser. If I enable the laser, the right light will be off. And there's emit mode, continuous and pass. Now the right light, if I put near the head, I have the right light. You see, if I remove the nozzle, it's much clearer. I use the wood piece as the substance instead of the metal. It's much clearer when show the laser emits. Okay. The status communication means the communication between laptop to the laser source. Alarm is easy to understand. Power supply green. Active means the laser image. This is the right light on, and you stop. This locked. We now have this problem because the layer source will not expired, so it's always green, and this X lock is this connection. If I remove one pin, here it turned red, so I put it back, and it's green. The power supply status, the right light, also the temperature, and this QBH. When the source was put into the QBH connector, it turned green. And there's a section lock. You can have to see the issues happen there. For example, just now I removed the one pin of the external lock, and it's alarm. Now the temperature. Low temperature is 22 for the fiber source, and the high one is the cutting head, the QBH head. It's 23. It's good enough to fire the laser. The laser source, the minimum power is 10%. The frequency, maximum frequency is 20 kHz. The duty ratio I normally keep 100%, and this I use the pass mode and use 3000 milliseconds, and then I will fire the laser and see how it's going. When the laser emit, the white light should turn off. Nothing happened because here I didn't enable the laser. I enable it, and we didn't see the radar anymore, and I tried again. This reminds us to wear the safety goggle and do it. Okay, you see that's the 10%. In your email you want to have it to fire at 1%. We consult the engineer of the MAX1500W. They say it's not possible. I do it. %, everything is same, and go. Nothing. So we cannot do it at 1% or below. Now I change the parameter to 30%. I think it's strong enough to in this test. And timing I set 2000 milliseconds. When we have the laser, this button will turn green. It's green, right? Now I turn to the sample and do it again. 30%. 5 strong fire. That's all for this demo. Thank you very much.